How to find saved videos on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and tap on Saved Videos as shown. Here, you can view all your saved posts, collections, sounds, effects, products, places, playlists, movies, etc. You can also unsave them from here if you want. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and find saved videos on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.